T2159 Ford Ranger Roof Rack Installation Guide. Insert the left and right crossbars into the rear crossbar. Place spring washers and flat washers on the hex socket head cap screws. Thread into the internal screw holes. Then install the external screws. Insert the doublet bolts into the middle crossbar. Place flat washers and thread on the nuts. Ensure sufficient clearance is left. Insert the two middle crossbars into the main body along the sliding grooves. Adjust the middle crossbars to the appropriate position. Thread on the nuts. Place the doublet bolts into the sliding grooves of the left and right crossbars, 2 on each side. Install the front crossbar. Install internal screws first, then external screws. Adjust all positions, then tighten all screws. Note that the bracket markings. Differentiate the bracket positions according to the markings. Install buffer rubber strips at this position. Assemble the brackets. Do not tighten, keep the brackets in a movable state. Install the brackets. Add washers to the screws. Fix the brackets. Mount the luggage rack onto the vehicle. Align the bolts with the bracket holes. Tighten all screws after adjusting the position. Install the bracket casings. Tighten the screws. First, install the 3 spoiler brackets. Place spring washers and flat washers. Tighten the screws. Unscrew the front crossbar bolts of the luggage rack. Place the 3 bolts into the slide rails. Align and install the spoiler with the hole positions. Adjust the position to be centered. Press the spoiler tightly against the upper side of the front crossbar and tighten. The installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing T2159.